Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Survival Reviews channel. I'll be starting a new series coming up about backpacks and loadouts, in the field loadouts, survival backpack loadouts, go bags, bug out bags, you name it. I'll also be sharing some of the stuff that I carry in different configurations. My truck bag, for example, my hiking bag. I'll be sharing all of that with you and showing you what I carry and what I like. But for today's video, I just wanted to give you some general information so you can ascertain if your lowdown and what you have is correct and how to begin putting together these items that will make up your pack, whatever that is, with a fun little video. So today we're diving into the art and science of creating the perfect pack loadouts for different missions. Whether you're planning a day hike, a tactical operation, or a week-long trek, getting your right pack together can make or break your experience. Let's break down how to tailor your pack with precision. Creating a specialized loadout begins with understanding your mission's demands. The key considerations are weight, hydration, first aid, nutrition, warmth, light, shelter, safety, and personal protection. Each of these plays a critical role in your safety and performance. First up is weight. The golden rule is your pack should not weigh more than 20% of your body weight. Overpacking is a common mistake that can slow you down and increase fatigue. Choose lightweight, multi-use items whenever possible. Hydration is next. Always plan for 1 liter of water per 2 hours of activity. Hydration packs are great for easy access without stopping. For longer missions, include water purification methods like tablets or a portable filter. First aid. You never know when you'll need a first aid kit, so this is non-negotiable. Your kit should include bandages, antiseptic, pain relievers, and specific medications if you require it. Adjust the contents based on the length of your trip and the remoteness of your location. For food, focus on high energy, lightweight options like trail mix, energy bars, and ready to eat meals. For longer trips, balance weight with nutritional value and consider a small stove for hot meals. And when I'm talking about a small stove, I'm talking about even one that you make out of an aluminum can, and I'll be sure and show you that on the channel eventually. Warmth. Maintaining warmth is crucial, especially overnight. Always pack a thermal layer even in warm climates, as temperatures can drop unexpectedly. A lightweight compressible sleeping bag rated for the specific conditions of your trip is essential. Light and shelter. For light, LED headlamps are your best friend. They're hands-free and efficient. And for shelter, a lightweight tent or bivy sack will protect you from elements and help maintain body heat. Let's talk about safety. Safety first. Always inform someone of your travel plans and expected return. Include safety gear like a whistle, signal mirror, and a GPS or satellite communicator in case you need to call for help. Always stay on marked trails or known paths unless you are very experienced in navigation. Personal protection. Personal protection varies based on your environment. If you're in wildlife heavy areas, consider bear spray or a bear bell. For urban explorers, personal alarms or a sturdy lock can provide security. I always recommend a knife. Bring pepper spray if you can. Firearms are great. Always assess the risk and equip accordingly. When packing your gear, distribute weight evenly with heavier items close to your back and centered. Use compression straps to minimize volume and maintain balance. Remember, the right load isn't just about having everything you might need. It's about having the right things for your specific adventure or mission. If you enjoyed this guide, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content like this. Safe travels and pack smart.